Yo, yo, yo. Let's go. Oh, shit, ano yun? Guys, we got this. You know, we're pro gamers. Now let's go. Kita matakbo, guys. Don't run. Huwag niyo ko iwan. Itang ina niyo, gago. Ang ina, anong tunog yun? Holy shit. Ang ina. Ang ina mo yun. Oh my god. Oh no. Ang ina, ano yung sakit sa tinga, gagsti? Ang ina, bahala kayo dyan. Ang ina nyo. Fuck you. Oh shit. Tangina ko, mga hayop na to. Kaya ko to. Ano yun, gago? Oh shit! Utang na mo, tara. Let's go! Gago, sumarag. Holy shit. Oh no. Hey bro. Help man. Gago na wala. Bahala siya dyan. Yeah, he's gonna die anyways. Yo! Yo! Ano? Gago. Nandiyan pa rin sa loob. Tangin na, talo na, no? Yeah. Get the fuck out. Tangin na, namatay pa ako. Yep. Saan na yung gago? Oh shit! Oh shit! Tangina, sakit niya, gago, pag dinidikitan. Oh shit, namatay ako. Fuck man. Oh my god, tangina mo, gago. Oh no. Get the fuck out. Ano yan? Yo, come on bro. Ayun no. Gonna follow this guy. I think he knows where it is. The escaping shit. Done yan. Hey, what the fuck's that place? Mukhang maglilid. Oh my god, ano yun? Hello? Tangina, wala naman. Anong boring sa server na to, ibang game na nga lang. Ito tao. Tanga na, unti lang players dito. Tangin lang yun. Ah, shit. Tangin na, walang sprint dito. What the fuck? Bahala ka dyan mag-isa, tangin na mo. Haha. Guys, let's go. Please. Ayun, oh. Please, ayun, dumadami, let's go. Yeah, let's go. 7 people, tangina, 3 na lang. Yes, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna play this Kampong. I've been wanting to play this. I mean, I've been playing this, but you know, I forgot. Parang tang. Pas natin yung volume. Let's go. Sprint, let's go. Get the fuck out of it. Damn. Where's the key? Ang may nauna na pala. Stop speedrunning this shit. What the fuck? Gonna put the camera in the shit. Shit. Ano ba? Sa labas. Set up CCTV yeah, we're basically gonna put the shit. Oh, are we already, ano? Oh, bahala kayo dyan, tangin nyo dun. We're gonna test the CCTV outside. So, let's go. Uy, magdasal daw kayo. Magdasal daw kayo. Magdasal ako, bahala kayo. Yan. Nagdasal na po ako. So, yan. Let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Ba't kasi ang bagal magtumakbo nitong hayop na tutupang ina. My eyes, what the fuck. Full brightness natin. Yan, full brightness and shit. Yan. Igago tong ina mo, ano yun. Guys, don't go without me, guys. Kera. Tangina, sasada ako, holy shit. What the fuck? Wait guys. Tangina, saya nito ah. The best team ever. Let's go. We have a well here. take a picture and show ko. Wala dito, wala dito. Saan? Actually guys, di ko pa to natatapos. So I'm playing with players para matapos to. Di ako sanay mag-isa eh. Tangina, nawawala yung iba. People are missing guys. Tignan nyo guys. Guys, huwag nyo napansinin yung team ng keyboard ko. Hindi nyo siya kilala, bahala kayo. Hindi ako naglagay niyan guys. Automatic na nandyan yun. Yeah, where is everyone? Gago, nawawala sila. Ang sakit net, ang sakit ko sa mata. Sakit niya sa mata, tangina. Oh, wala sila, shit. So guys, nagre-record na ako ulit. So it's been an hour since we're looking for the other guys. So yeah, ito na. I guess we're just 5 of us now. Here goes nothing guys. Tangina, bumalik lang. Sabi na eh. Yes, we're back. Where's everyone? Hello? Pala, di pa pala natin nakukuha yung ano, ulo ni Jin. You know, tangin ng punching bag. Bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop, bunny hop. I'm gonna get that bitch. Oh shit. Tangin mo, tangin mo. Oh lululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululululul Namatay po. Bobo. Ay! Oh shit! Oh shit, man! Utang ina mo! Nabago, bitch! Ano mo? Namatay, bro. Oh no, bro, we're gonna die, guys. Hindi kaya magtago dito. Can I? Oh, we can! Guys, I'm stuck. Aray. The fuck? That's weird. So what should we do now? Yeah, there's no one here, man. Bawal rin tong buksan. Kasi, sino yan? Wala ko may nakatayo eh. I think we already set up the camera and where's everyone? Ang ina, 5 na nga lang kami. Damn, this ghost is rich, man. Sadako is rich. Ang ina, oh. Ang galing ng gripo niya. The fuck? Hello? mauna. Hehehe. Putang ina, bilisan mo na. Ang ina, ako na nga lang. Putang ina, mga duwag. The Jin son of a bitch is not here. So I think we should go back. Tangina, nawawala yung dalawa. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. What's in there? 8 lives, so we're still gonna live. And Zik Halim's route. Tangina, this is the horrors, man. Tatlo na lang kami, man. Feeling ko may isang mamamatay dito. At hindi ako yun. Huh? Hey, stop pushing out. Holy shit, ano yan? Oh yeah, that's the bitch. Yeah, don't mind that. Eh, gago dalawa. Ay, nagago na to. Yeah, I'm not gonna die. Yeah, fuck that. Bahala kayo dun. Ito pala eh, gago eh. Ito lang pala kayo eh. Huh? Nawala. Yo guys, live. Oh my god, tang ina mo, gago ako na lang mag-isa.